Delhi High Court issues a notice to the Central Bureau of Investigation on Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea, challenging his arrest and remand in the CBI case. CBI to file its reply very soon. We are told that the Central Bureau of Investigation has given about 1 week, 7 days, and they have to, the next list is expected on 17th of July. This is going to be very important. This, remember, is with regard to how there's been constant hearing on Arvind Kejriwal, who has been arrested first by ED and then by CBI in the liquor excise policy case. And in the latest, the Delhi High Court has issued a notice to CBI to respond, basically as to why there shouldn't be a bail plea. India Today's legal correspondent Srishti Ojha is joining me. Srishti, go ahead. What has the High Court said specifically, and what is the reason? What has been asked for the CBI to reply?
As we know, Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has challenged his arrest and a subsequent remand to CBI's custody in his plea before the High Court. He's called his arrest by CBI illegal. The court has as of now issued notice and asked for a response from CBI. 7 days time has been given to the CBI to reply to this particular application, and his bail plea will now be heard on 17th. We also saw senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi tell the High Court about the grounds on which they have challenged. The reason why they're calling his arrest illegal, according to them, Arvind Kejriwal has illegally been arrested because there was absolutely no necessity or need for arresting him in the CBI case as far as the Delhi liquor policy is concerned. He's pointed out that the CBI FIR was filed way back in 2022, 2 years back, and last year he was questioned as a witness in that matter. Since then, nothing has been done by the CBI in this case, and now suddenly they arrested him right after he got bail. This basically shows that he's not been arrested. There was no imminence or necessity of arrest. He's also said that even the arrest
Alright, so
does
this
not show
is
any
the
valid ground.
And the hearing also that you're telling us about focuses on the bail, and after CBI arresting Arvind Kejriwal, does this mean a longer jail time? It's already been a few months, and now what happens here on? While Manish Sisodia, Satyendra Jain continue to be lodged in the Tihar jail.